Hello friends, today I will show you how you have to write the history paper for the board examination. As all of you know, history and political science will be of 40 marks together. That means history will be of 28 marks as well as political science will be considering of 12 marks. So altogether it is 40 marks paper. And basically most of the students are facing many problems while writing history paper. So today I will show you with the sample copy that how you can write your paper for the board examination. So here we go. I have written both the question on the first page. Okay. So question number 1A and question number 1B is on the same page. So all the answers which are writing, suppose now we are talking about choose the correct option, these answers which are writing have to be in the complete sentence. Whenever you are writing the answer with the complete sentence, that means here compulsorily you have to write to underline that answer after writing. Okay, so every question will be 1 mark each. Suppose if you are not writing or underlining the answer, you have written only the answer, still you won't be getting the proper marks. So it's actually your duty when you are attempting this question, compulsorily after writing the answer you have to underline that answer and that answer should be in the full sentence. Same way question 1b, identify the wrong pair in the following. Now here in this question you don't have to correct that pair, only you have to mention which pair is wrong. So here also every question there will be 1 mark each, so you have to attempt here 3 question. Okay, so no need to write all the question. Okay, only the thing is that you have to mention which one is the wrong pair and the pair. So you can see here I have written here clearly about it. Now suppose if the space remain on your page, then what you have to do, you don't have to leave like that the paper. Okay, compulsory you have to draw this line and put the cross line there. That means here you are trying to tell that your now the first question 1 and B is finished on this page. Okay, now coming to the next question, that is question number 2, do as directed. So I can show you here. You can see here the question number 2. This is the first question, question number B, and this is the question number 2. Complete the following concept chart or map. Now here you can see they have given here the 3 question. Okay, from this complete chart or map you have to compulsory draw this box. Okay, and wherever the answer you have to write down that you have to underline. Okay, but if you are writing suppose only the answer and you are not drawing the box, then it won't work out. So compulsory you have to draw the box, that may be in any shape, but try, I will suggest to actually you try to draw the box how it have given here on the question paper. Okay, so same way you try to draw on your answer sheet. Okay, so you can see here I have written all the 3 complete map. Okay, now in this complete map, basically you have to attempt only 2 question. Each question will be of 2 marks each. That means here 4 what you can say map or chart is there, in that each answer will be containing half mark weightage. Okay, so half mark each will be the answer. So every 4 box you have to write the proper answer. Okay, so like that either you can attempt 2 questions or all 3 questions. Fine. Now coming to the next question, that is write short notes. So question 2b will be write short notes. So here we have seen question 2a, that is of completing the following concept chart, and the next now question which is there in the question 2b, it is the write short notes. Here also this question each will be of 2 marks. Now you can see here I have attempted the 2 question from write short notes. Okay, every point will be having the weightage of half mark each. Okay, so I have solved here two questions, that is of first feminist historiography. What I will tell you here, when you will write down the answer, try to write from the textbook, then following the digest, because digest language is much more tough than the textbook language. So here minimum 4 points you have to write in this answer, maximum 6. It depends upon the answer. Okay, but try to write minimum 4 points for this short notes. So here I have attempted again two questions, you can see here, and here also space remain. So where the space remain, I have drawn here the cross line, so that I want to tell that here my answer is over, finish. Okay, now coming to the next question, that is question number 3. Explain the following statement with reason. Here also you have to attempt any two question, but if you know all the answer, you can attempt all questions here if you have time, as well as if your speed is very fast in writing. Okay, so you can see that again I have written here. Now for this question there is only two main point, but inside there are the two subtopics. In this way also you can write, or you can write in 4 points this answer. Okay, so every point will be considering of the half mark weightage. Now coming back towards the next question. Question number 4. Read the following extract and answer the following questions. Now here also basically they are asking you the 3 questions. Okay, first 2 questions will be based on 1 mark each. Okay, the third question which is there, either that question will be open-ended question where you have to write your opinion, or based from the passage you have to write the answer. So you can see here I have just taken out the passage, you can see the passage. Okay, and based on that, whatever the questions they are asking, you have to write the answer. So like that there are the 3 questions are there, right? So the third question which is there, the form of Dashavatar folk theatre, explain. It will be of 2 marks each. Okay, so the first 2 question which is there, that is 1 mark each, and the third question which is there, that is for 2 marks. So again, if the space remain, then please try to draw the cross line. Okay, now coming to the next question, that is answer the following question in detail. Now all of you know this question will be for 6 marks, again 3 marks each. So first 2 questions which you have answered, that is short note as well as the give reason, that is for 2 marks each, and this answer in detail question which is there, that will be for how much marks? 6 marks. That means each question will be for 3 marks. That means how much points you have to write minimum here in this question? Minimum 6 points. Okay, so you can see here how I have written here the answer with a very neat handwriting. Okay, only the thing I have not drawn here this margin, but compulsorily you have to draw here either this side the margin or inside the margin. Okay, so that the subtopics which are there where you will be writing the numbers, you can write inside that margin. Okay, so here also you can attempt any 2, or if you know the 3 question also, or 4 question, you can write it. Depend upon your time management. Fine. Okay students, now you can see here question number 6. Now question 6 number onwards, our political science paper start. Now the first question which is there, question number 6, that will be based on again fill in the blanks, where you have to write the answer with the full sentence. Okay, so choose the correct option from the given options and complete the statement. Here you have to answer 2 questions, and this question will be carrying 1 mark weightage each. Okay, now next topic is question number 7, where you have to explain whether the following statements are true or false, and at the same time you have to give reason for that answer. Okay, so you can see again I have tried to attempt here 2 questions. Okay, from this the first question which is there, what you have to write? First you have to write whether that statement is true or false. Okay, so here I have written first the statement is whatever it is, true or false. Now if suppose you have written the statement true, Then also you have to write reason for it, why it is said true with the 2 points, minimum 2 points. Okay. And suppose if it is false also, then also you have to give reason for it. Suppose if you are writing only the what reason, that means you are correcting here the answer why it is said false, then you won't be getting any marks for that answer. You have to write the proper reason why it is false. Okay. So coming to the next question here, question number 8a. Okay, explain the following concept, any one. Now from here onwards you have to write every question here only one. So question 8a also you have to attempt only one question, any one concept you have to write carrying 2 mark weightage. That means every point will be having half mark weightage. Okay, like that you have to write minimum 4 points. Again, now the next question is question number 8b. Do as directed, any one. Okay, now here you can see you have to either draw the flow chart, or maybe sometimes they can ask you to complete the table, or you will get the timeline. In any way they can ask you the question, so according to that you have to write down the answer, and after writing the answer underline the answer, as well as each answer will be carrying half mark weightage here. So if Spain remain, again try to draw the cross line. And the last question which is there, okay, that is question number 9, answer in brief, any one. So what is the, what I have written here, what is the code of conduct, explain the last question which is there. Here also how much is the answer you have to write according to that. Now for this answer there is only 3 points, so I have written here 3 points, but that 3 points should be having the main weightage. So like this you have to write the question answers in the history paper.